hold on. Bones. It looks like bones of another shark, actually.
All those bones.
Yeah,
but barely
just
nothing.
bones, starving to death. See that? Nothing in there. Look at that. These are bones from another shark. Yep, look at that.
It's a baby shark.
The last couple years, these sharks have been starving. There's nothing in them.
There's only one shark.
That's it.
Oh, just only one.
Anything else in there?
Nope.
Nope, just bones, right? That's all we got is bones? Okay, we'll get them ready. We're going to donate the meat. Very good steaks here. Give it to the homeless. Okay, Grumpy Man.
I should check it.
That's it, nothing else.
No,
Okay,
no,
get ready
otherwise-
to take them steaks. Okay?